Welcome to TLH Patterns. This is Pradeepa. Today I am going to show you how to crochet this pumpkin bag or a Halloween trick or treat bag. The bag has a circumference of about 26 inches at the widest part and the height excluding the handle is about 13 inches. A written pattern is available in my blog The Lazy Hobby Hopper and the link is provided in the description box below. I worked this bag using 2 strands of yarn held together. I used about 470 meters of sport weight yarn in orange and about 60 meters in green, and along with it I used a 4 mm crochet hook and you will need 6 stitch markers. I am holding 2 strands of yarn together. First make a slip knot and then make 5 chains. Join the last chain to the first chain with a slip stitch to form a ring. Now make 3 chains. These 3 chains will count as your first stitch. Now work 11 double crochets into the ring. So totally you will have 12 stitches. Now join the last stitch with a slip stitch to the top of the third chain at the beginning of round. And now we'll start the next round with chain 3. This counts as the first stitch. Make a double crochet in the same stitch. In this round you will be increasing 12 stitches. So work 2 stitches in each stitch around. You will have 24 stitches in this round. Second round is done. Join with a slip stitch to the third chain at the beginning of round. And now start the next round with chain 3. Work a double crochet in the same stitch and now make a double crochet in the next stitch. 2 double crochet in next stitch, then 1 double crochet in next stitch. Repeat around, increasing 1 stitch in every alternate stitch. By the end of the round you will have 36 stitches. Let's start the fourth round. Chain 3, work a double crochet in the same stitch and now work double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Two double crochet in the next stitch followed by double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Repeat this around. You will have 48 stitches in this round. Similarly, work 3 more rounds of increasing 12 stitches in each round, and in round 7 you will be having 84 stitches. Next is round 8. Chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch and then work double crochet in the next 13 stitches. So far we had been increasing 12 stitches in every round, and from now onwards we'll be increasing 6 stitches in every round. So in this round it will be 2 double crochets in a stitch followed by double crochet in 13 stitches. You'll have 90 stitches in this round. In round 9 you will increase a stitch after 14 stitches. In round 10 you will increase after 15 stitches. Similarly, work up to round 12 where you will increase after 17 stitches. So in round 12 you will be having 114 stitches. After round 12 you will stop increasing and you will start working even, that is one stitch in every stitch. So this is up to round number 25. So up to round number 25 you will work one stitch in every stitch around, and then we'll start forming the pleats. You can fasten off the yarn, then using a stitch marker pin the first stitch to the 12th stitch. So I have placed the stitch marker in the first stitch. Now count the 12th stitch. That's the 12th stitch, and now pin the stitches together. This forms a pleat. Then skip the next 7 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then place the marker in the next stitch. And then count the 12th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And pin both the stitches together. Skip the next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now place a marker at the next stitch. Repeat this around. So you would have placed 6 markers with 7 stitches in between each pleat. Now pick up your green yarn holding 2 strands together and insert hook into the first stitch where you place the marker, and then insert it into the 12th stitch, and now pull the green yarn through both the stitches. Chain 1 and work a single crochet into both the stitches. Next work single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And then work single crochet in the next 3 stitches, working through the folds of the pleat. Next single crochet in the first and the 12th stitch pinned together. Then single crochet in next 4 stitches. And then single crochet in 3 stitches through the folds. Then single crochet in the marked stitches. Now repeat this around. Join the last stitch with the slip stitch to the first stitch. You will have 48 stitches in this round. You will repeat 2 more rounds of single crochet. Now we'll make the handle. Chain 1 and work single crochet in 3 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in 3 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in 3 stitches. Repeat it until the length of the strap is about 12 inches. Using a yarn needle, sew the end of the strap to the opposite side. I used a couple of leaves for decoration. The pattern for this Irish leaf is provided in the description box below. You can check out on that. Now I'll join yarn to the stem of a leaf and make a few chains. After making the chains long enough to tie around the handle, I'll join the other end to the stem of the second leaf and then cut the yarn off and weave in the ends. You can tie this around the handle of your bag and your pumpkin bag is ready. Please click the like button if you enjoy this pattern. Thank you.